Jai Bharat everyone. We, the students of Eminent Future School Roha, studying in grade 9, would like to share our thoughts, speech and quiz on the special occasion of International Yoga Day. The International Day of Yoga is being celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in UN General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which is originated in India. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his UN address, suggested the date on 21st June as it is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere and shares a special significance all around the world. We need food to survive. Likewise, we also need good thoughts to energize our minds. So, now Roma would deliver the thought for the day and Suchita would deliver a short speech on today's special occasion.
Jai Bharat everyone. Thought of the day is Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter you flame. Thank you and have a nice day.
Jai Bharat everyone. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter your flame. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year. This day was internationally organized by United Nations General Assembly UNGA on December 11, 2014. The idea of International Yoga Day was proposed by our PM Mr. Narendra Modi on September 27, 2014. He also mentioned this day as the longest day of the year in Northern Hemisphere. Yoga is a great practice for both our body and our mind. It offers peace and mindfulness to people, and it also helps us to get through our daily stress. Meditation, a form of yoga, is the best way to help us think ourselves differently. It also helps us to take better decisions in our life. To promote better mental and physical health, we should at least do 20 to 30 minutes yoga practice every day. So, let us come together on this day and give ourselves a healthy and a fit life. Thank you.
Now it's the most interesting part, that is quiz. My first question is, when is International Yoga Day celebrated? Answer, 21st June. My second question is, who had introduced yoga first time to the Western world in Religion Conference Chicago, America? Answer, Swami Vivekananda. My third question is, who is known as the father of yoga? Answer, Shiva. My fourth question is, which Veda mention about the elements of yoga? Answer, Rig Veda. Thank you and have a nice day.